Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to connect your Facebook, Instagram, or X messages. And whenever those messages coming in, we are going to create automatically a lead in your system. That will prevent the need of salespeople accessing the company's Facebook, Instagram, or X account in order to communicate with people. There are two ways that you can do it. Number one is you will go to the setup section, and then you will need to click under channels. You will go to social. You can also write your social and then go directly to the automated lead generation or brand and admin. In any case, both of them are the same. It's just two different ways. Let's click on social. And first of all, I need to create a new brand. So I will click on new brand, and then I will click on import on the right side. Okay, let's click again. And now I need to connect with X or Facebook, and Facebook, it's the most popular one. So let's do that. So I will click on add account, provide my password. I continue as me. And just so you know, you can only have a business page connected. You cannot use a personal one, okay? So I will select this page because that's the only page available. Click on add, and now it's connected. Next, you will need to go to automated lead generation. And now, because I'm already connected, you will see a funnel. So that's for Facebook, and that will be for X. Now, if you have here Facebook, and if someone is posting, commenting, liking, or sending a message, something will happen. In my case, I never found a use for post, comments, or like, because in those cases, those people don't really want to be contacted. They're just doing something. But if you do want, you can check the messages, but you can also check the others. It's up to you. Click on next. And now the system is asking when someone is sending a message, what you want to happen. In my case, I want to create a new lead. Now, if you have multiple messages from one person, it will be added to the same account. So it won't create multiple leads. The same lead will be with multiple messages. And let's click on done. And basically that's it. Now, if you want, you can create more funnels. For example, if someone is posting, it will create this person as a contact. Obviously, I don't want you to do it, but just more options. Okay? So that is for that. Now, in terms of the usage, whenever you will have someone going to your Facebook page and they will DM you, this DM will automatically create a new lead, and the lead will have the information in the social section. So you will see it here. It will come with the message, and you can also communicate with them from here. Now, just so you can see how it works, my wife just sent me a message. So if you go to the signals, you can see that we got a message. Now, let's refresh the page. You can see that she was created as a new lead that came from Facebook. If I will click on the lead, and I will go to the social section on the left side, I can see the message from Galit Isaac. I can see the message that she sent to me. And also, if I click on the message, for helping me creating best marketing course in the world. Look at that. Now she feels very good. Okay. So the idea is that whenever lead comes in, okay, you will be able to click on it and then you see it. Just so you know, it's not covered in this course, but there is a way to create workflows, which is automation. And those workflows, whenever you have, for example, a new Facebook message, because you're not in front of the system all the time. So alert me when a new Facebook message comes in. I'm just showing it to you quickly. If you got it, awesome. If not, your administrator can do it. So I'm saying whenever Someone sends me a direct message. I want you to send me an email notification, for example. And then when someone sends a message, I will get a notification, and then I can go and respond to them. Okay? So in this lesson, we worked only on a DM. So whenever a message comes in, something will happen. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about what happens when a lead comes from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on, how it's going to be created as a new lead in Zoho CRM.